there. I'm sorry about this. It's just that I've been quite curious about it some time already because of its ability to stick on people's codes like this one. But anyways, let's talk about it later. Our team wants to share something great with all of you. Something that may blow your mind and something that you won't believe of. Why? Because what I'm talking about is mathematics. Mathematics that we all know is only about problem solving using addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division with using different kinds of formulas. But today, we want to tell you this. Math is everywhere. We can see it every day in our lives, and that's what we are going to show to you, all of you, in this video. So what are you waiting for? Let's go! Hello, Kuja.
Hi, Roy.
We just want to ask you, what can you say about mathematics?
Oh, mathematics. For me, it's beautiful, it's adventurous, and quite challenging. Especially in our program, it's very crucial because we deal mostly in computations, example in surveying. And kahit na naka-stress, laban lang.
Napakaganda. Napakaganda ng motivation na yan. Maraming salamat sa oras. Kuja Mark.
Welcome!